Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install UiPath, the robot process automation tool, and which happens to be the one of the most used automation software today. So to download and install UiPath on your Microsoft operating system, simply go ahead and launch your preferred browser and try to pull up this website, which is uipath.com. So once you are here, you simply go ahead and click this start trial button. So before you proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And here we are. So this is the package page where you can basically try the enterprise use studio, enterprise cloud, and enterprise server as well. You get 60 days trial for these editions. However, if you're looking for free and community edition, and this is only for people who are basically developers and small businesses. So if you're a small business or a developer, you can go ahead and try this community cloud. Go ahead and click here, try it. So if you haven't signed up for this UiPath, you will be landing on this sign up page. Okay, so sign up with a different email. Simply go ahead and I just want to show you how it looks like. You can see you will have to say sign up, or you can sign up with Google account, Microsoft account, or LinkedIn account. If you have already signed up, you simply have to log in. So click on sign up, type in just your organization name, just whatever it is, okay, or you can put your name here, and then select your country. After typing in your name, and then you have to type email, password. Make sure your password is 8 character long. It has to be uppercase, lowercase, number, and special characters as well. So once you sign up, you simply have to verify your email account. Make sure you simply verify before you start using a UiPath account, because then you will be able to download this software, and if needed, they will let you reset your password as well. So I assume that you already have signed up for UiPath and you have verified your email account. Now simply go ahead and click on this login and type in your username, email address, and password, and hit sign in. Now here I'm going to close everything here. Now this is a dashboard, so you can see statistics of your usage basis basically. Then you go to services, okay, automation first era, and then you go to user. So I'm the only user here. Licenses, you've got community plan, and these are the services that you can avail under this community plan. Now you go to resource center in order to download and install UiPath. You can see it says download UiPath Studio. Choose the edition based on your requirement. This is preview edition. This means this is most latest edition. It's not stable one. You also have enterprise edition, which is going to be basically 60-day trial. Now we are going to use community edition. I'm going to try the stable one. Okay, so go ahead and click on this download stable, and this is going to download it. It will take some time here, 4 minutes. Okay, so it's a huge file. At the same time, if you are new to this robot process automation thing, UiPath has UiPath Academy, which is kind of good for anybody who does not have experience or want to become a UI, basically RPA developer. Now this is a resource link. You simply go ahead and UiPath robot apps. Okay, so you've got Academy as well, UiPath Academy. So academy.uipath.com learn, and you'll get everything here. Now let's see. You can see this is UiPath Academy page where you can get everything for free if you're just beginner to RPA developer, RPA whatever journey, then you can start from here. So these are new courses and these are a little bit advanced ones. So we already have downloaded this RPA Community Edition. You can see this is where it's been downloaded. So I'm going to open this in folder, and where is it? So here it is in the download. Go ahead and just open it. Just click open, and this will start the installation process like this. It will take a minute or so. Now once you are on this page, simply go ahead and say start free, no license key required, or you can try these ones. So I'm going to click on this community license, which is free forever, and then ideal for these are two options, okay, under community edition. Ideal for developer with a programming background looking to create complex automation. Ideal for business users looking to create task automation for personal use. I'll go with this one, UiPath Studio, and then I'm going to try this stable one, okay. Get the latest and greatest monthly preview updates. I'm going to go with this stable one here, and this will start the installation process. Now I'm going to close this downloads page, and this shouldn't take long time now. Here you can see starting the applications. So this is basically the interface of UiPath Studio. You can open a local project and then start from here, okay. So a lot of things can be done with this robot process automation tool. You simply have to start. If you do not have any idea what is robot process automation, start from here. This is the link, academy.uipath.com/learn. I will leave this link in the description below so you can get started from there. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and have a good day. Bye for now.